Hey everyone, and welcome back. A messy product catalog confuses customers and hurts sales. In this video, I'll show you how to build a clean, scalable product structure in WooCommerce for free. First, plan your product categories logically. In your dashboard, go to Products, Categories. Think like a customer. Create broad parent categories like men's clothing, then subcategories like t-shirts and jackets. Avoid creating too many top-level categories. Use a hierarchy to keep your shop navigation simple and clean. Second, use product attributes for filtering. Go to Products Attributes. Create attributes like color and size. Add terms like red, blue, large, small to each attribute. Assign these attributes to your products. This allows customers to use filters to find exactly what they want. Third, keep your product data consistent. When adding a new product, fill out every relevant field in the product data panel: price, inventory, shipping, and a great short description. Use high-quality images and follow a naming convention for your product titles. And that's it. A logical category tree, clear attributes for filtering, and consistent product data create a professional, easy-to-shop store that converts visitors into customers. If you reorganize your catalog, let me know how many categories you have in the comments. See you in the next one.